Hey guys, on today's Chic, I'm going to be showing you how to DIY our own mirrored welcome sign. It should be pretty easy and pretty fun, so follow along and let's get started. I started by drafting my design in the Cricut design space. Once I figured out what I wanted it to say, I tried to figure out my layout and just moved it around until I liked it. Now that I know I have 30 inches of space to work with, I've resized my elements to fit the space. After my Cricut has finished cutting my vinyl, I go ahead and move it onto my workspace where I just peel off the vinyl and then start weeding it. Then I'm going to begin sectioning off my vinyl cuts, starting with the word welcome, just so I can really get an idea of the spacing. Since the entire actual inside of the frame measures 30 inches, 15 should be exactly in the middle for the welcome. And since a welcome actually has 7 letters, I'm going to go ahead and put the C directly in the middle. Now that I have my welcome placed and I'm satisfied, I'm going to go ahead and move to the second section, which is going to be to our wedding. Now that I have this on my transfer tape, I'm just going to go ahead and continue until I complete the phrase. As I continue placing my vinyl cuts onto the mirror, you guys see that I've taken this section of just regular clear Scotch tape and lined it up with my measuring tape since I couldn't find my level. I used the measuring tape to make sure that it was straight going across the mirror, and then I just put the tape down as a placeholder so that I had somewhere to actually align with my vinyl without worrying about it shifting. This works fairly well, but I'll just say be careful. And it actually helps to keep the measuring tape even though you do have the Scotch tape placed already, so be mindful. Alright, we are almost done. Now that we have all our words lined out, I'm just going to take this glass cleaner and polish off all of my fingerprints from placing the materials. And I'm just going to wipe this down quickly, and then I'm going to go pose it for you guys so that you guys can see what it'll look like. And here is our finished result. I love it. I think it looks so glam. And that is it for this tutorial. I hope that you guys enjoyed it and you were able to follow along with no problems. The tutorial is really fairly simple, and I love the way that it looks when it's completed. I'm so excited to see it set up. But yeah, all we needed for this project was just our Cricut, vinyl, mirror, measuring tape, transfer tape, and just your Cricut weeding tools. That's all that you really need to get started with this. For me, I didn't have an immediate cost because I already own the materials. I bought the mirror a couple of years ago from Home Goods for about $60, and then a couple of weeks back I went to AC Moore and I was able to pick up the vinyl from them. As they're going out of business, their vinyl is usually about $10, but I was able to get it for $3. So I guess all in all it cost me about $63, but like I said, I didn't actually have to put anything out right now to do this project. But I'm super excited to see how you guys interpret it and make it your own and see how you guys use it for your big day. Please be sure to tag me so that I can see it and see your recreations. But let me know if you guys liked it, what you thought, and what you'd like to see next. As always, it's been fun talking to you guys. See you later. Bye. Thanks for watching, guys. Make sure to like and subscribe, and I look forward to seeing you next time.